Ever wondered how the simple act of listening to music could turn into a cash flow? Imagine earning over $100 a day just by tuning in. Today, we're diving into a method that not only brings the beats to your ears, but also adds dollars to your account. The steps are simple, the potential is massive, and the income is real. Welcome back to Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income. By the end of this video, you'll not only discover the art of making money while enjoying your favorite tunes, but also learn how to leverage this simple yet effective method to earn a substantial income online. It's the ultimate fusion of pleasure and profit, and I'm excited to guide you through it. Now let's start by envisioning the simplicity of earning $4.50 by listening to a single song and multiplying it to $45 with just 10 songs. We're delving into a global phenomenon where individuals worldwide are withdrawing money every minute from an innovative website. Grab your device, whether it's a laptop or smartphone, as we venture into the realm of MixKit. This platform not only satisfies your musical cravings, but also introduces a unique method to fatten your wallet. Picture MixKit as your gateway to a world where music isn't just an auditory delight, but also a path to online income. With personal earnings exceeding $300, I'm here to guide you through the steps to replicate this success. The method is simple, yet effective, promising returns of $50, $90, or even more than $100 per day. The proof lies in the multitude of pages showcasing global success stories, proving that making money online can be as straightforward as listening to music. Just envision the diversity of music available on MixKit, all for free and without the need for attribution or sign-ups. Navigate through genres like acoustic or hip-hop, exploring a treasure trove of downloadable tracks. The goal is to build a collection of quality tracks that resonate with you, setting the stage for the next exciting step. As we wrap up this exploration, the journey ahead involves turning these music tracks into a source of income. Stay tuned for the unveiling of a secret website that pays you for sharing your musical treasures. It's a fusion of pleasure and profit, and the adventure is only beginning. You see, the magic unfolds as we transition from MixKit to a secret website that pays you for sharing your music. ThreeUpload.com is the key to turning your music files into dollars. This platform supports various payment methods and boasts a minimum withdrawal of only $1. It's a seamless process. Upload your downloaded songs, obtain a unique link, and earn money when people download and listen to your tracks. Introducing ThreeUpload.com, a platform designed to transform your music files into a lucrative income stream. The concept is simple: upload, share, and make money. With payment methods ranging from Bitcoin to Ethereum and a low minimum withdrawal threshold, this platform ensures accessibility and quick access to your earnings. Personal earnings exceeding $300 validate the effectiveness of this method. Let's walk through a real-life example of how to make money with your music tracks on ThreeUpload.com. The process involves creating an account, uploading your downloaded song, obtaining a unique link, and sharing it to earn money. The payment tiers, ranging from Tier 1 to Tier 4, showcase the potential earnings based on the countries where your audience downloads your music. As we conclude this step, the pathway to turning music files into dollars is clear. Now let's explore how to drive traffic to your ThreeUpload.com links, maximizing your earnings through strategic online exposure. It's the final piece of the puzzle in this melody of opportunities. Now, the other piece of the puzzle involves driving traffic to your ThreeUpload.com links, and YouTube becomes our primary source. With millions of views on videos seeking sound effects, creators constantly search for fresh audio content to enhance their videos. We'll leverage this need by providing sought-after sound effects from MixKit, creating YouTube videos to share these sound effects, and including ThreeUpload.com links in the video description. With over 114 million YouTube channels hungry for such content, the potential for views and downloads is immense. But let's consider the popularity of sound effect videos on YouTube, some boasting millions of views. These creators showcase various sound effects, and we can capitalize on this by providing similar effects from MixKit. By creating YouTube videos and including your ThreeUpload.com links, you're positioning yourself to capture a share of the vast audience seeking audio enhancements for their content. Now, if you're finding these strategies exciting and valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on future insights and strategies for turning your passion into online income. Now let's shift our focus to expanding your sound empire. You see, the journey doesn't end here. It's time to expand your sound empire and explore additional avenues for online income. Diversification is key, and we're venturing into the realm of podcasting. With the podcasting industry experiencing exponential growth, there's an opportunity to not only share your favorite tracks, but also generate revenue. Podcasting is the next frontier, and platforms like Spotify and Apple Podcasts offer an excellent stage for your audio content. Imagine creating themed playlists or even short episodes discussing the significance of each track. By strategically integrating ThreeUpload.com links, you're opening the door to a broader audience, bringing in more downloads and, subsequently, more earnings. Consider the podcasting landscape, where creators curate playlists, share insights, and entertain listeners with audio content. By leveraging MixKit for your curated playlists and utilizing ThreeUpload.com links, you're creating a unique podcasting experience. The potential for monetization lies not just in the music, but in the narrative you weave around it. With podcasting as your new frontier, imagine the resonance of your curated playlists echoing across platforms like Spotify and Apple Podcasts. As you infuse your audio content with the narrative, the possibilities for monetization grow. Stay tuned as we venture further into the podcasting realm and explore the final creative way to amplify your online income journey by community building. You see, the power of community is unmatched, and now it's time to build your tribe of music enthusiasts. Platforms like Discord offer a space for like-minded individuals to connect, share music recommendations, and participate in virtual listening parties. By fostering a vibrant community, you not only enhance the music-sharing experience, but also unlock new avenues for income through collaborative projects and events. Community building is more than just a trend. It's a strategy for long-term success. Discord, with its dynamic features, becomes your virtual clubhouse. Imagine creating themed channels, hosting virtual listening parties, and encouraging members to share their favorite tracks. The key lies in engagement. The more involved your community, the greater the potential for collaborative projects and shared successes. Look at thriving Discord communities centered around music, where members passionately share their latest discoveries, engage in discussions, and even collaborate on music-related projects. By introducing your curated playlists and ThreeUpload.com links to your community, you're not just creating a space for music lovers, you're building a network that can fuel future projects and income streams. Well, there you have it. We've embarked on a musical odyssey, transforming the joy of listening into a thriving online income. From leveraging MixKit for captivating soundtracks to monetizing through ThreeUpload.com, we've explored diverse channels like YouTube, podcasts, and community building. The journey doesn't stop here. It expands into collaborative projects and promotions for your own gain. As you venture forth, remember, your passion for music is not just an expression, it's a melody that resonates with financial possibilities. So if you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe for more financial insights only here on Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income.